Here are a few LP quick tips to jumpstart your siding remodel project. Buying the right trim will help give your house the right look. Choose LP SmartSide 440 series trim when using LP SmartSide panel siding. And choose thicker LP SmartSide 540 series trim when using LP SmartSide lap siding to ensure the lap edges don't stick past the trim. If you choose to install your trim over your lap siding, LP SmartSide 440 series trim is a fine choice. For an attractive corner, install the trim on the sides of your house flush to the face of the house. Then install the front-facing trim so it overlaps the side trim. The butt joint will not be facing the front, giving your home an overall cleaner appearance. Remember to choose the proper nails. Hot-dip galvanized or stainless steel nails are good choices. Don't use electro-galvanized nails. Once your LP SmartSide siding and trim are installed, you'll need to seal all butt joints with a high-quality sealant. Choose a sealant rated as compliant with ASTM C920 Class 25 or higher. After your sealant cures, choose a 100% acrylic exterior paint and apply it according to the manufacturer's recommendations. For complete instructions, visit lpsmartside.com.